Okay, this is going to be a fast and simple video about getting roocode going inside of your VS Code. So first you come over here to extensions, just like you probably have done many times if you've been using VS Code. You type in roo, R-O-O, okay, and then you will find this one. As you can see here, 179,000 downloads. Probably will be more by the time you watch this. And there will be an option right here. As you can see, I have uninstall. So you have install. Click install. Once you're done with installing, we are going to head over here to this little roocode icon. Down here, what we're going to do is what you will see. You will see this. You'll see a drop-down menu like this. Okay. You need to come down to the option that says OpenAI compatible, not just OpenAI, but OpenAI compatible. Click on that one. Okay, once you got that selected, you're going to paste this into the base URL. Then you're going to paste in your API key, and then you basically will have a button down here that you will click OK, and you're done. Once you're done and you got it going, you are going to be able to type. So you can type, make me some code of print statements. Let's not get too complicated here. And yes, I had some other thing in there. You won't have that because I had some other stuff written before. And then here you go. Basically, this is like what I had written before. And yeah, you can see it's just wrote out a bunch of print statements, 1 to 15. Not really a big deal, but yeah, here's your coding assistant to make these edits to your files, directly connected into the Quen language model from Venice. You can connect it to other models and try out, see what works best for you. Thank you and have a great day.